Today we're going to be unboxing Snow 12, the portable electronic video magnifier. Let's dive right in and see what's inside and what is the purpose for. The first item in the box is a plastic baggie containing a user manual. Beneath the user manual is a registration card, and also have the quick guide card. Then is the cleaning cloth. Next is the sleeve case bag with the Zoomax logo on it. It's a soft and padded bag that you can use to store your Snow 12 when you're not using it. It also has a handy zipper, making it easy to access your Snow 12 when you need it. Below is the carrying case that comes with the Snow 12. It also has a handy zipper, making it easy to access your Snow 12 when you need it. The carrying case is great for protecting your Snow 12. It's a simple and stylish black case with a handle, making it easy to carry around with you. There's a zipped pocket and you will find a detachable shoulder strap here. We can attach it to the carrying case, which makes carrying easier. Now we can see another little plastic insert with 3 different cables. The power adapter is essential for powering your Snow 12. A USB to USB Type-C cable is included, so you can connect your Snow 12 to your computer for file transfer. The HDMI cable is another important accessory for connecting your Snow 12 to an external monitor. Lastly, we have the foldable stand, which is a versatile accessory that lets you adjust the angle and height of your Snow 12. It's great for use on a desk or table, and it's easy to fold up and store when you're not using it. That's all. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit www.zoomax.com.